Owning a Porsche Classic means owning a piece of history, the witness of a know-how, a kind of heritage. At Orchid Sports Cars, we honor these memories and are committed to perpetuating the tradition. Welcome to Porsche Classic Center, Geneva, the only one in Switzerland. We have imagined this place so that the pleasure of driving a Porsche never fades. We have selected the best technicians, dedicated men and women who do not shy away from any difficulty to reshape the car the way it originally was, in the slightest detail, the slightest noise, the slightest sensation. Join us in our universe and discover this dream box. Dive into the years of the brand's history and get the chance to be charmed by iconic models which are just waiting for you to travel on the roads. When you come to Porsche Classic Center Geneva, you can rely on a dedicated team who will guide you on the road to new emotions. Porsche Classic Center by Orchid Sports Cars.